slowly na-overcome yung fear of being alone. I'm so happy! Para lang hindi makalat. I'm like growing. Here's my setup. Look, it's so good! Like living in Korea. Here at the cinema. Kailangan ko na talaga ng kape. Good morning, guys! And yes, nasa ibang place ako right now. I'm in Makati. Because as you can see sa title ng video, this is me testing out what it's like to live alone in a city or in Makati. Yeah! It's my silly fantasy. So, nagstay ako dito since kahapon pa. And hindi ko na siya vlog because I vlogged my first day sa TikTok. So, you guys can watch that. I had fun naman. So, this is my second day here. Actually, medyo kakagising ko lang. It's already 10:30 a.m.-ish. And di pa ako nagbe-breakfast. So, that's what I'm gonna do first. Mag-order ako ng breakfast ko sa Grab. And di na ako nakapag-prepare ng breakfast ko, guys. Because I had no time. Late ako nagising. So, I'm just gonna order something sa Grab ngayon. And today's agenda, actually, it's kind of my free day again because na-finish ko na lahat ng need ko matapos kahapon. And today, mag-enjoy lang talaga ako. I wanna go out later for lunch. I'm also thinking if gusto kong manood nung Toy Story 5, I might do that also. Kasi malapit lang to, guys, sa Rockwell. It's like 10 minutes away from here. Yeah, I think. And should I give you guys a quick tour of my room? Okay, I'll give you guys a quick tour. Wait lang. So here yung bed area, guys. And everything is black as in. Tapos dito naman yung parang TV, then closet, then nandun na rin yung dining table. Inspired siya, guys, by this band. So it makes sense kung bakit lahat is black talaga here. Then here naman yung kitchen area. And then merong mini living room here, pero ang dami ko ng gamit dyan. Huwag nyo napansinin. Tapos may side table lang din. And then may mirror here. So cute! And actually, guys, yung owner nito, they just invited me to stay here. And super thank you to the owner of this place. And kaya nagka-chance ako to like, you know, para ma-experience ko what it's like to live alone in the city. And actually, parang gusto ko muna ayusin tong bed ko ngayon. Kasi magulo siya. And then, no, actually, wait lang. Order pala muna tayo ng breakfast ko, guys. Kasi gutom na ako. Like, gusto ko nang kumain, legit. And I'm craving for waffle. So, baka mag-pancake house ako. And malapit lang naman siya dito. So, baka hindi ganun kamahal yung delivery fee. And this is my problem, guys. Kasi sa first video ko, if you guys have watched my TikTok video, girl, nahirapan pa ako magprito ng mandu. What the heck? Kasi tumatalsik siya. To be fair, tumatalsik siya, guys. And it hurt. Ang sakit niya sa balat, no? Ito lang yung problem ko, guys. Like, I don't know how to cook. And yes, that's not something to be proud of. Pero, I'm willing to learn. Gets? Nagpapaturo naman ako sometimes sa mommy ko. Or sometimes, di ba, kapag may will ako, gusto ko siyang gawin. Or sometimes, kapag like, parang, ay, madali lang naman to. Tinatry ko naman siya like gawin somehow. Later tonight for dinner, I'm thinking, gusto ko talaga magluto. So, nagsa-check ako like ng mga recipes or like pwedeng maluto na super dali lang. And ngayon, let's order muna sa Pancake House because I'm freaking starving. The thing with me, guys, hindi ako breakfast person. Pero pag nagising ako ng medyo early, gugutumin talaga ako. And sisikmurain ako kapag wala pang lunch. Unless may lunch na naka-ready na, hindi ako magugutom. Pero kapag matagal pa ako mag-wait, like hapon pa ako, or like mga after lunch pa ako magla-lunch, like around 2 p.m., girl, di na kaya ng tiyan ko, malilipasan na ako, and sasakit na siya. So, as much as possible, pagkagising ko, dapat kumakain ako. It's either breakfast or lunch. Pero usually, guys, late ako nagigising, so diretso lunch na talaga. Kaya ako nasasabi na I'm not a breakfast person because I don't wake up that early. So yeah, I'm just gonna order classic pancake and waffle sa Pancake House. Okay, let's place my order na. Let's just wait for this. Siguro mamayang for lunch, lalabas pala ako. Baka mag-power plant mall ako. Also, I wanna get coffee. And then, baka mag-quick grocery ulit ako. Since plan ko nga magluto for my dinner, you know, para naman baka tipid-tipid ako, guys. Ang mahal ng delivery fee sa Grab ngayon. Hindi siya nakakatuwa. Parang kapag every single time na nag-grab ako, guys, 60 pesos to 80 pesos yung fee. And it's not giving. So, try ko magluto later tonight, guys. Try ko lang naman. I'm not really sure yet. Mag-research pa ako ng pwede kong lutuin, okay? And habang inaantay ko, guys, yung Grab ko, linisin muna natin tong bed. Para lang hindi siya masakit sa mata, no? Like, Actually, hindi naman siya ganun kagulo, guys. Gusto ko lang ayusin tong comforter ko. Para lang hindi makalat. And grabe, guys, yung team ng Airbnb na to, it's not really me. Pero, ang ganda niya rin sa mata. Like, ang satisfying niya tignan na everything is match. Lahat kasi black eh. So, there you go. Ayan, di ba? Parang malinis naman tayo, guys. Wala naman ako ibang lilinisan cause yung mga gamit ko nandyan na talaga siya. And naghugas na rin ako kagabi. Because kahapon nga, nagluto ako ng mandu. Wow, proud talaga siya dun sa niluto niyang mandu. But, yeah, wala naman ako lilinisan. Let's just wait for my order. Guys, while waiting, manood muna ako sa YouTube. And I wanna watch a Cortez show. Wait, what to watch? This is me when I have a free time. I don't know what to do. Like, kapag wala akong work, minsan naiinip din ako, guys. Like, walang nasa plate ko. Medyo naiinip ako na wala akong ginagawa. I don't feel productive, ganun. But, guys, walang masama magpahinga. We should all take a rest at some point, okay? So, naghahanap kasi ako ng pwede ko mapanood. Maybe a vlog na lang siguro. Guys, I'm gonna watch Ate Hazel King na lang. Like, guys, na-excite ako kapag napapanood ko yung vlogs niya. Like, I can't wait to go back to Korea. Kasi nafe-feel ko yung vibe niya through her vlogs. Like, parang asaya-saya niya lang lagi. So, I get so excited and nabuboost yung energy ko pag napapanood ko siya. And guys, super fantasy ko yung life niya, living in Korea. I might just as well live in Korea. Like, living in Korea. That's like one of my dreams, guys. Like, kahit just a year. Or kahit nga months lang eh. Maranasan ko lang, guys, yung ganda ng Korea. I swear. Dream come true. What if, guys, one of these days, like, magkaroon ng plan sa akin si Lord? You know, we'll never know, guys. Guys, nilipat na pala siya ng apartment. Oh, I love her apartment, guys. Guys, let's go down na. Nandiyan na si Kuya Grab. Nandiyan na daw si Kuya Grab. Grabe, guys. As in, parang sinisigmura na ako sa gutom. I can't anymore. And magla-lunch na rin, actually. So, baka mag-late lunch na lang ako later. Mga hapon na siguro ko aalis. Hi guys! I'm wearing a soul shirt.
Thank you na mo, ma. Bawal
Okay
po kasi.
Thank you.
Baka may ano po sila ngayon. Thank you po.
Thank you po. I crossed the road. Got the goods. Let's go out. Got the goods, guys. Grabe, gutom na ang babae. Dito na lang siguro ako kakain. Because fun fact about me, I like to eat habang nakaupo sa sahig. Actually, ganito yung pinaka-comfortable kong upo. Kapag kakain, like, kailangan nakataas yung paa. Sometimes nga, guys, dalawang paa pa yung nakataas. Medyo weird, but mas comfortable lang ako. Feel ko gusto ko nasa-squeeze ako, ganun. I ordered lang, guys, sa Pancake House. I super love pancakes, guys. That's like my top 1 favorite breakfast. Like, every single time, guys, hindi ako nagsasawa sa pancake. Pero, hindi ako magaling gumawa ng sarili kong pancake. Lagi siyang nasusunog sa akin. Bago makakain, ang dami namang ino-open. Kanina, guys, habang nanonood ako ng vlog, nanginginig ako sa gutom. I told you, kailangan may kinoconsume agad ako na food pagkagising ko or else, masisigmura talaga ako. I was also supposed to get yung grilled chicken na, kaso naisip ko, mabubusog ako and magla-lunch pa ako. Holy! Akala ko mali sila ng order, pero yeah, with pancake siya and waffle. Akala ko mali eh. Talaga naman, pag mali pa. Yeah! I love a good breakfast. Kahit rare lang ako mag-breakfast. Also guys, life update. Bumili ako ng bagong camera. It's DJI Action 6. And nabudol ako ng friend ko, si Yen, if you guys know Yen. Nabudol niya ako because of the feature ng DJI Action 6 na pwede portrait and pwede landscape. And sobrang helpful nun. I someone na nafi-film lagi for both portrait and landscape. And also guys, gusto ko na rin kasi talaga maging active on YouTube. As in, pinupush ko talaga yung sarili ko ng malala guys. Like ngayon, supposedly di ako mag-vlog for this trip, pero pinupush ko talaga yung sarili ko na maging active na ulit. And, tinatry ko na after ko mag-film, diretso edit agad para hindi ako nagkakaroon ng backlogs. Kasi yun yung, I feel like, nag-hold back sa akin lagi makapag-upload. It's because of the editing. Like, madali mag-film, guys. Pero yung editing, it takes so much time para makapag-edit ng isang video for YouTube. Alam niyo yun. Kasi long form dito. So, kailangan ko talaga maglaan ng days or like one full day para makapag-edit ng YouTube video. And yun yung feeling ko nag-hold back sa akin para, you know, ituloy yung YouTube vlogs ko. And lagi nyo hinahanap na yung YouTube vlogs ko and you guys want me to be active here. Because I feel like mas nakikilala nyo ako kapag YouTube since nakikita nyo yung, mas madami kayong nakikitang personalities ko here sa YouTube since mas nashow ko siya here ng raw kesa sa TikTok na super short lang. And so, I got the DJI Action 6 and on the way pa lang siya, I think. And actually, mura ko na siya nakuha, guys, kasi nag-sale siya on Shopee. Yung official store ng DJI doon, nag-sale pa siya. So, from 25k, 22k na lang siya ngayon. I think still price na rin siya. Kaya sabi ko, this is the sign. And also, para magamit ko din siya, guys, for my upcoming trip. And, mas maliit na siya. Kasi super, alam nyo, bakit yun yung nag-push sa akin, guys. Kasi ang liit ng Insta360 ko, diba? So, sabi ko, parang gusto ko ng camera na ganito lang talaga siya kaliit para hindi ako na-overwhelm kapag nag-film ako both for TikTok and YouTube. And so, yeah, I got the DJI Action 6. Then, let's put the syrup na. Wow, wait lang, ang dami. Wait, shucks, ang dami. Too much sugar. Guys, sa mga nagtatanong pala sa inyo kung paano rin ako nag-lose weight, iniwasan ko talaga yung sugar for the first 2 months, guys. As in, completely no sugar. Except coffee. Guilty sa coffee, guys. Hindi naman pala, like, no sugar at all. Kasi nag-coffee pa rin ako. Pero yun na lang. Like, inalis ko na lahat ng soda, juice, and chocolates, desserts. Anyway, this is a first bite. Let's eat. I'm so happy. So happy. Anyway, guys, back to the topic. Feeling ko yung nag-hold back din sa akin makapag-vlog. It's because 20% lang, guys, ng life ko yung napapakita ko sa inyo. And sa 20% na yun yung mga nakikita nyo. Nag-errands ako, may ginagawa ko, I'm going out. Pero guys, most of the time, most days sa isang week, nasa bahay lang talaga ako, guys. I'm such a homebody. And so, yung nag-hold back sa akin is, ano ipapakita ko sa inyo when I'm vlogging? If parang 70% ng buhay ko, nagbe-bedrot ako or editing videos. And ano nga naman i-vlog ko, guys, na puro bedrot lang ako, diba? Ayoko naman yun. Kaya ginagawa ko, guys, like today, I'm planning to vlog my whole day para kapag in-upload ko to, guys, isang day lang, whole vlog na siya. That's like my new move today, guys. Pero hindi, guys. I-try ko na talaga maging active for you all. Sarap. I can't wait for my DJI Action 6. And hindi ko siya makukuha pa, guys, kasi nandito pa ako sa Makati at sa Laguna ko siya pinadala. So, baka mag-arrive siya today or tomorrow. And hindi ko pa siya makikita. I'm also gonna watch. Tutuloy ko na yung pinapanood ko pala kanina. Hindi ko pa natatapos yung vlog ni Ate Hazel. So, tuloy natin siya.
Focus. One of the
Don't skip ads. Guys, I don't finish eating. It's currently 12:16 now. And baka umalis ako dito around 2 p.m. I'm not really sure yet, guys. And hindi naman ako ganun nabusog since parang light lang siya for me. Hindi naman heavy yung feeling ko. So, I think kaya ko nang kumain ng lunch mga after a few hours. And, yeah. I'll just rest a bit. And also, magba-body shower pa kasi ako. Body shower na lang. Di ko muna iwawash yung hair ko. And then, after that, let's go out. I'll see you guys later kapag ready na ako to go out. And I just showered and nag-change na rin ako, guys. So, now I'm just gonna do some quick makeup. And actually, guys, hindi ko feel mag-makeup talaga. Like, gusto ko lang takpan tong eye bags ko and pantayin yung skin tone ko. So, let's start, shall we? It's around, ano na ba ngayon? It's 1:23 p.m. And I'm planning to go out before 2. So, tinatamad talaga ako, like, mag-ayos. Naglagay na lang ako ng contact lenses. So, this is what I do kapag tamad-tamad days, guys. I just put cushion. It's a skin balm. And I got this sa Korea, sa Daiso. And alam niyo magkano lang to, guys. It's only 5,000 won. And that's like around 200 to 300 pesos ata, I think. Wait nga, check ko na para sure. Pero alam ko 200 to 300 pesos lang yun. Let's check. Para hindi ako magkamali. Oh! It's 199. It's 199. Diba? And sobrang ganda niya, guys. Like, para siyang olive young level. And nag-hoard ako nito kapag nasa Korea ako, guys. It's really good. It is that good, guys. And lately, guys, ito lang ginagawa ko kapag lalabas ako. Like, most of the time kasi tinatamad talaga ako mag-makeup. Since parang sometimes ang heavy niya sa skin. And I just want my skin to like rest. Ganon. So, this is what I'm only using para makover yung eye bags ko, yung uneven skin tone ko. Dry. Ang dry ng skin ko, guys. And guys, iniisip ko kanina pa if manonood ako ng cinema, ng Toy Story. I'm still thinking about it. I'm not really sure yet. Kasi baka mamaya tamad din na naman ako lumabas. So, let's see. I'm also adding a little bit of concealer sa bags. Kasi yun talaga yung main problem ko, guys. I have like dark under eyes. Puyat ka pa self, ha? And baka di na rin ako mag-blush. Pero mukhang ang pale ko, no? Pero ayoko mag-blush. Super tamad yan. Pero okay na ako sa ganito. Kaya super light makeup lang. Kasi gusto ko rin naman bini na lang. I don't feel my hair ngayon eh. Breakfast to dinner. That's my current favorite song ngayon. Iconic by Mistake. Also Red Red. Red. That's it. I think we're done. That's it for my makeup. Okay, I'm about to go out. But, ilagay ko muna to, guys. Because I'm really not feeling myself today. I'm in my luteal phase. Maybe that's why. So, itong get up. Then also, let's not forget my everyday jewelries. A lot of you guys are asking kung saan galing tong bracelet ko na to, guys. Pero kasi it's customized by me from an event. Like, mayroon lang available na charms kasi doon. Tapos ako lang nag-customize nito. So, sadly, guys, hindi siya available anywhere unless magpa-customize na lang kayo with the same charms. Nalimutan ko na rin, guys, if anong name or brand nung nagko-customize ng bracelet. Like, genuinely, I forgot, guys. Kasi from an event lang siya. Surprisingly, I like it. Tapos ito naman, it's just bracelet with cherries. And then, I'm gonna bring, of course, my DJI, my phone, and my bag. That's it. And we're ready to go. Magbubook na ako ng Grab. And then, let's head out. Okay guys, so I'm here at Power Plant Mall already and I'm thinking if mag-grocery muna ako bago kumain para magpapagdito muna ako ng slight guys. Like, kunin ko muna yung mga needs ko. Bilhin ko muna yung mga needs ko before ako mag-eat. Oh my gosh, I saw a friend. Bye! Let's go here. Okay, I'm going to Marketplace. Need ko na ng small cart. Let's go. And actually guys, few things lang naman yung need ko dito. Since Musubi yung plan ko i-cook. It's just a quick grocery run. Let's find some ingredients, shall we? And sana guys, may rice dito. Kasi ayoko na magsaing ng bukod. Bili na lang ako ng separate rice para meron akong rice. I'll show you kung ano yung mga need ko. Okay, so I need soy sauce, spam, egg, sugar, garlic, and then rice if merong rice here. First thing on the list is spam. Okay guys, I'm getting spam light, spam secured. Let's go to the next naman. Namiss ko mag-grocery vlog with you guys actually. Okay, wait lang, what's next? Nalimutan ko eh. Spam check, soy sauce, egg, sugar. Okay, let's get muna yung soy sauce. Okay, let's get one soy sauce. Actually, ang laki niya, pero siguro uuwi ko na lang siya if hindi ko man siya maubos. Oh, wait. This one na lang, sachet. Kasi this is too big. Aalis naman na ako tomorrow. All good. 2 down, and now let's get sugar. Wait lang, parang lagpas na pala. Ang laki na naman, guys. Yes, it's too big. Sayang to. Legit. Ayun, guys, so 1 kilo kasi siya agad. Sayang naman. Like, sobrang unti lang talaga yung food ko. Ang sayang. Although, pwede ko naman siya iuwi para magamit ni mommy sa house. Pero, let's think about it. Baka meron sa mga Meron pa sa iba. Okay, so they only have 12 pieces eggs. Hindi ko magagamit ko naman ito. Since meron pa akong tomorrow morning and lunch. Okay, ilan na lang. I need garlic. I need sugar and garlic. Pinag-iisipan ko pa guys yung sugar. Because I'm not really sure yet. Wait lang muna. Okay, let's get just 2 lang. We got the goods now. Maghahanap ako ng plain rice. I need plain rice para di na ako magsasaan ng rice. Okay, let's ask if nandun sa cook food. Miss, nagsasal po kayo ng plain white rice lang?
Yes.
Sa counter na lang po ba or hindi?
Ilang rice?
2 cups of rice. Yay! Meron. Problem solved. This is kinda heavy, you know. Yeah, after this, I'm gonna eat at Din Tai Fung. Guys, nagdadalawang isip pala ako because it's 3 p.m. na. And if kakain pa ako sa Din Tai Fung, baka di na ako magutom ng gabi. Because I know myself, guys, hindi ako magugutom agad-agad. And medyo heavy if magdi-Din Tai Fung pa ako. So, sayang naman itong ingredients ko. So, I might just cook na lang. Baka mag-get na lang siguro muna ako ng coffee now. Okay, I decided I'll just go out. Guys, bibili na lang ako ng kape. Because I'm so sleepy. Kasi feel ko na yung antipak ko ngayon. And kailangan ko na talaga ng kape. And yes guys, magluluto na lang ako kaysa magla-lunch pa ako ng separate sa Din Tai Fung. Kasi sayang, pili ko din ako magugutom after ko mag-Din Tai Fung. So, para sa patong binili ko kung sasayang ako. And now we're gonna go to single origin na lang. Wait lang, tatawid ako. Thank you. Binulungan ako ni Guto ngayon, guys. Freaking celebrate ako. Init ako. Wait lang. So, we're gonna go to Single Origin. For to go lang bibilin ko, guys. Magko-coffee lang talaga ako, guys. And let's have it for to go. Just one ice latte ko. Pero can you request if pwede mo pa-add ng condensed milk? Parang make it Spanish latte.
Ano ba bang gusto mo? Spanish latte talaga?
Yeah. Mayroon ba kayong condensed milk? Yeah, on the side na lang.
Okay.
So just one ice latte and then condensed milk on the side.
Regular milk po oat milk?
Regular milk.
Okay.
Thank you. Also for to go po sa.
Ito po.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I got here my coffee na. Okay, I'm here outside. Guys, I'm thinking if magsisinema na lang ako mamayang gabi. Like around 8 p.m.-ish. I wanna go out pa, guys. Like, parang feeling ko sayang yung alis ko. Tapos, resagdid lang ako gabi. So, I think I might watch Toy Story 5 maybe. Magbubook na lang ako ng ticket online. Pero let's see. Pero wag mo tamarin. Guys, I'm back. So, ilalabas ko lang lahat ng mga need ko na ingredients. Ramdam ko na ang gutom ko, guys. This is my second day of cooking. Kahapon nagluto din kasi ako, guys. I'm so proud of myself. I'm like growing, guys. Okay, let's start, guys. Magluto na tayo kasi gutom na ako. Half lang muna, guys. Para pwede pa ako magluto later tonight or tomorrow, di ba, for my breakfast. Guys, okay. Naka-prep na yung other ingredients ko. Then, tapos, kailangan ko na lang ipag-mix yung soy sauce and sugar.
Soy sauce, sugar, and then mix it up.
So far, so good, guys. Wala naman akong problem. Hopefully, huwag ko sana ma-jinx. Pero hindi. Madali lang naman to guys eh. Lagi naman ako nagpa-fried rice sa amin. So, let's do it. I need 3 tablespoon ng toyo. And then, sugar. Wait lang. Yung pagkalaki-laki kong sugar, guys. Okay, and then let's mix our sauce. Ito yung i-add ko later mamaya. Ito yung i-add ko mamaya. Pagka-fry ko ng Spam, ito yung magiging sauce ng Spam mismo, guys. Hopefully, it's good though. Sana naman, please. Okay, guys. So, mag-fry muna ako ng egg. Balikan ko kayo kapag lutuin ko na yung Spam musubi. Hold on. Okay, now guys, nasa final part na tayo. I-fry ko na yung rice. So, nag-add lang ako ng onting garlic here. This is rice with egg yolk, guys. Indian sauce. Frying it now. Smells good! Nilook forward ko to ha. Self, huwag ka mag-fail, please. Pero so far, guys, it smells good naman. Alam nyo guys, dapat lagi ko itong ginagawa. Like legit. Kasi nauuna lang naman talaga lagi guys yung katamaran ko. But like, feeling ko kaya ko naman. I guess. Okay guys, let's add na my Spam. Ihalo na natin siya here. Ooh, looks good naman so far. Okay, feeling ko pwede na to guys. I'm so happy! So happy na gawa ko siya. Although, hindi ko pa siya natitaste. Pero okay na yan. Guys, I'm ready to eat. I'm proud of myself. And then guys, sa egg ko hindi siya perfect because I like my egg na parang ganito. Yung mix-mix. Ayoko ng sunny side up. Gusto ko yung medyo magulo. Anyway, I'm also planning to watch Has Sisters ngayon while I'm eating, you know. And ganito ako lagi guys. Hindi ako pwede kumain ng walang pinapanood. And Has Sisters yung comfort YouTubers ko. So, I wanna watch them while I'm eating. Pero, let's do a taste test first, guys. Okay, moment of truth! Is this good? Moment of truth, guys. First bite. O, diba sabi ko sa inyo, ganito talaga ako kumain, guys. Nakataas yung paa. Taste test! Oh my God. Wait, that's so good! No, I'm actually shocked. Guys, I'm shocked. Oh my God. Ang sarap! No joke, guys, ah. Hindi dahil sa sarili ko yung nagluto, but it's good. What? Kaya ko yun? Because I have here my coffee. Hindi siya much. Pero, ngayon ko pala may inom yung coffee ko. And I'm really surprised, guys, na okay siya, na masarap siya. Pero guys, parang 40 minutes to 1 hour ata ako nagluto. Eh, sobrang bilis lang naman niya gawin. Kung kala mami or daddy to, parang mga siguro 15 minutes lang tapos na to. But like, sa part ko, ang daming process. Medyo mabagal pa ako. But like, let's improve that. Pero I'm so happy, guys, na like, you know, somehow nag-grow ako and meron ako natutunan na bago. Although this is something na, you know, common or usual for others. But I'm happy na nag-try ako ng new thing ngayon and nagluto ko ng a meal for myself. Super dali lang siya and sobrang bilis. I'm so proud of myself for doing it. I'm like growing. Okay, I'm like growing. And lahat to mag-isa ko lang ginawa. And I'm really, really happy lang na, you know, somehow na-overcome ko na yung separation anxiety ko. Kasi guys, fun fact, no, actually, it's not a fun fact, but fact about me, I was diagnosed with separation anxiety. Elementary pa lang ako. So, meron talaga akong hard time na maging alone. So, basically, being alone is not for me nung bata ako. Like, kailangan lagi akong may kasama ko yung parents ko, or like a comfort person, ganyan. Pero if not, either iiyak lang ako ng iyak palagi, and nagkaka-anxiety lang ako, tapos hindi okay yung mental health ko, super lungkot ko, to the point na hindi ko na rin alam bakit ako nalulungkot, ganon. This was my elementary days pa. Like, guys, elementary ako pero ayokong pumapasok ng school. Parang nahihirapan ako if like makikipagsiksikan ako sa crowd. Hirap akong mapapasok sa school. And also lagi akong umiiyak sa school kapag mag-isa na lang ako. Hindi naman mag-isa, but like umiiyak ako palagi nung bata ako kapag mag-isa lang ako. Or like kapag papasok ako sa new environment, let's say, yun nga, sa school, new classmates, new school year. Naku-culture shock ako, guys. And nagkaka-separation anxiety ako from my parents. Like, I can't be alone. Ayoko nakikipag-socialize with new people. Parang ganun yung state ko before nung bata ako. So, lagi lang ako umiiyak sa school nun. Like, yung mga teachers ko, feeling ko nasa-stress na sila sa akin because lagi ako umiiyak. Kailangan lagi ko nakikita yung mom ko sa labas ng room ko, or unless di ako titigan ng iyak, guys. Ganun ako before. And look at me now. Look at me now, guys. Doing things alone. Slowly na-overcome yung fear of being alone. And just, I don't know, I'm just so proud of myself. Just yap with me, guys. Anyway, change topic. Guys! Yeah! 1 week na lang from now, EXO concert na. Next week na yung EXO concert, guys. And ready naman na yung outfits ko. So, medyo chill na ako, guys. Siguro may plans. Hindi ako siguro maglalaan ng work for next weekend. Kasi gusto ko siya ma-enjoy talaga. Gusto ko mag-live at the moment. Although mag-film pa din naman ako, guys. I feel like mag-vlog pa rin naman ako that time. Pero, who knows, baka mamaya last na nila to or what. Gusto ko mag-live at the moment kasi sobrang tagal bago ko sila makikita ulit. It's been 7 years. So, kainin ko lang to, guys. And also, I'm gonna watch right now. Let's watch Ha Sisters! Guys, I just finished eating and right now, I'm trying to book a ticket for Toy Story. So, ina-aim ko, guys, is around 8 p.m. Para may time pa ako to chill because it's just 4:43 ngayon. So, parang gusto ko mag-book around 8 p.m. And yeah, I think tuloy ako, guys, because like, wala naman akong gagawin after this. I'm just gonna chill. And so, might as well take myself out on a solo cinema date, diba? So, yeah, guys, I'm booked now. Yes! Meron akong gagawin later tonight. Naisip ko, guys, if magsha-shower na ako ng full body shower or later na lang pag-uwi. But anyway, guys, I'm still watching ngayon ng vlog. Ha Sisters pa din. So, also lobat na yung camera ko. So, i-charge ko muna siya. Guys, time check. It's already 6:31 and I just showered. As you can see, I'm prepping to go out ng mga 7:30. Since 8 p.m. pa naman yung schedule sa cinema. And malapit lang naman dito yung power plant. So, around 7:30 ako aalis. I feel so presko. Oh my God, ang sarap maligo. My favorite thing to do talaga, guys, is mag-shower. Grabe, sobrang comforting, sobrang refreshing. I feel reborn. But yeah, di na rin ako mag-makeup, guys. Magsi-skincare lang ako. Then, bare face na lang. Tas for my hair, siguro mag-put na lang ulit ako ng beanie para lang hindi makita na magulo yung hair ko. Kasi I wanna be chill. And gusto ko mag-relax na lang. So, ang outfit ko now is... Wait lang, I'll show you, guys. Let's open muna yung lights. I'll show you my outfit, guys. It's very chill. I love chill outfits. So, I'm just wearing... Actually, di nga sila, hindi sila same ng shade ng gray. Pero, I'm wearing gray hoodie or jacket. And then, gray sweatpants. Pero, hindi sila magka-shade ng pagka-gray. Hayaan mo na, guys. Okay na yan. So, I'm excited for the movie, guys. Oh my God, I can't wait. Guys, here's me bed-rotting before umalis. And I'm still watching a vlog. Malabo na ba to? But, it's currently 6:50 right now. And 7:30 pa ako alis. So, I'm still bed rotting here. I love this day. Super chill, super relaxing. Very therapeutic for me. And I'm still watching a vlog. So, I'll update you pag aalis na ako. Grabe, parang inaantok na nga ako agad, guys. And it's just 7 p.m. Girl, is that me? Guys, I'm back at Power Plant Mall. And sakto lang ako. And guys, di na rin pala ako nagdala ng camera. Kasi baka mamaya hindi pwede sa loob ng cinema. So, I just brought my phone. I'm vlogging through my phone ngayon. And I'm thinking if magbabayad pa ako ng snacks or like popcorn, fries, kanyan. But I'm still full. Pero feeling ko magugutom ako while nanonood. So, let's get popcorn at least. Guys, oh my gosh, ang daming tao sa Rockwell ngayon. Maybe because it's Saturday tapos night na. Madami nagdi-dinner right now. Kinda overwhelming tapos super chill pa ng outfit ko. Feeling ko nakapantulog lang ako, guys. Pero I'm here at the cinema na. I'm gonna claim my ticket na. Okay, so no need to claim the ticket na pala. Diretso pasok na lang. Wait, ask ko muna if pwede nang pumasok para bilhin na ako ng popcorn if ever. Or I can chill na lang inside. Sobrang daming families and tao ngayon. Kasi nga Saturday. Wait, ano bang cinema number ko? Wait nga, check ko. Guys, let's buy popcorn first. I'll probably buy just one popcorn. That's it. Also water, yeah. One honey butter popcorn po.
Ano pong size?
Ano available sizes po?
Tumbler and bucket lang.
Bucket na lang. Honey butter. Thank you. Guys, got the goods. And then dito tayo, guys. Guys, it's been a while since last ako nag-cinema mag-isa. I'm so happy. Guys, I'm here already and it will start soon. So, I'll be back later na lang. Here's my setup. I have here my popcorn. See you guys later. Guys, movie's done and it's so good. Ang ganda, na-miss ko yung Toy Story. Parang bumalik yung pagkabata ko dun, guys. And it's very timely sa generation ngayon. And I won't spoil anything, pero parang magsiserve siya as a lesson for the new generation or like the new kids ngayon. And how kids should act as their age talaga. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna book my Grab and go home. Guys, I'm already back home. And actually, I'm watching Perfect Crown ngayon. So, dito magsa-start ang pagbe-bedrot ko, guys. And it's actually... What time is it? Wait lang. I'll get my phone. It's already 11:02 p.m. It's kinda late na, pero I'm still not sleepy. Parang medyo malakas yung tama nung kape sa akin kanina, guys. And, oh my gosh, the owner of this place sent me a matcha from Starbucks. Oh, they know me so well. And they got me matcha. This is the perfect way to end the night. Let's have a first sip. So good. And ang pinapanood kong K-drama ngayon, guys, is Perfect Crown. Sobrang nakakakilig. I love IU and Yeon Woo-seok. Pinag-match pa talaga sila. Grabe. Grabe ang face cards. But anyway, guys, I really had fun today. As in, like, super na-relax ako. I didn't do any work at all today. Kahit yung mga revisions, completely wala akong ibang ginawa kundi mag-chill, mag-spend time with myself. I even went on a solo date with myself today. I cook for myself. Diba? And honestly, it healed something in me talaga. Kasi nga parang, ayun nga, 20% lang naman ng life ko yung nakikita nyo usually sa vlogs. And so, most of the time talaga, guys, it's either I'm working or kapag free day ko, I'm bed rotting. Pero now, I'm happy na I spent a good quality time with myself. And lagi kong tips sa inyo yan, guys. Always spend a good time with yourself. Build relationship with yourself. It sounds funny, but ayun talaga yun. And so, guys, yung thoughts ko for Toy Story nga pala. Ang ganda niya, I swear. Bumalik yung yung childhood ko. Na-miss ko yung yung mga OST ng Toy Story. Si Woody, si Buzz, si Jessie. I love the OG characters. And syempre, yung mga new characters din naman. But yan, ganda ng lesson niya. Pero I won't say anything na since ayoko ma-spoil kayo. Panoorin nyo na lang sa sine, guys. Showing pa din naman siya until now, I think. So now, guys, this is me ending the night. Actually, di ko pa naman ina-end yung night ko kasi manonood pa ako until later. Uubusin ko pa din too much ako. But now, I'll do it offline. Pero, ayan, yun na lang gagawin ko tonight. Anyway, guys, let's end the vlog here. And so, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Kulitin nyo ako, guys, no? Para sipagin talaga ako. Especially now that I have a new camera. Dagdag na naman ako ng another equipment for vlogging for YouTube. And wag sana akong tamarin, please. Anyway, bye!